With applied kinesiology, we can determine accurate application of nutrients. The body has a voice beyond what the thinking mind is about. It's vibrational frequency medicine. The body knows the truth, but you have to make a definitive statement.
Whiskey is good for me.
Oh,
Ah.
once again, the body's informing us of correction, because this is all frequency medicine. It's primarily health preventative medicine to keep us tuned up like a car. The cause of the malfunction is stress. Basically, across the board, in our culture right now, people are under more stress than they can manage. The way the body biochemically responds to too much stress is through the nervous system and the biochemical system receiving a spike. We don't want to talk to that person, we don't want to have a confrontation, we don't want to forgive that person, we don't want to forgive ourselves. It starts malfunctioning, which begins leaky gut. If you follow that protocol, then you will have a healthy colon, it will balance your nervous system, and it's not like stress is going to disappear, but you'll be able to handle it in an entirely different way. People are full of anxiety and anger, short-tempered, there's wars everywhere, in families, in countries. The last thing we need is more fire. We're learning how to put out the fire. A new perspective of the mind-body relationship. Wow! There's so much more light coming off of here. Everyone can see it.
I can feel it too.
Oh, good. I see so much more light here.
I feel great. My whole nervous system feels calmed down and relaxed, and my breathing is so much freer.
The body's overflowing with toxation. Correcting the flow of toxin will always help. It could be anything from chronic headaches to an infection.
Wow. I just dropped my car key and I went to pick it up and I could just pick it up. Isn't that
You've been tuned up, sir.
cool?